Accord. Design, manufacture, and marketing of products and services at the highest technological level. Specialists to ensure fast and reliable telecommunications in any environment. Guarantee of efficiency and cost savings. Accord specializes in the adaptation of each of its customers' needs, resulting in unique technology solutions. More than 100 engineers trained in the best European universities. Qualified personnel dedicated to innovation. Accord is an international company. We have a presence on 5 continents, a wide network strategically set from the U.S. to Australia and from Russia to South Africa, going through China, India, and Saudi Arabia. Accord manufactures and markets telecommunications equipment in addition to high-performance radio frequency components. Accord also designs communication systems or satellite localization systems and control software. Accord offers turnkey projects for voice and data systems, IP security advanced solutions, and wireless broadband communications. From space to home automation, Accord is high technology in very different fields. For over 10 years, we have had the confidence of demanding customers as NASA or the European Space Agency, as well as NATO, ministries of different countries or major multinationals. However, Accord is a flexible company that also works providing custom solutions for SMEs and municipalities. Accord, high technology at hand.